This is a pretty hair. I like her hair blonde. It's nice.
I don't know why Dorothy was so shocked.
I told her, I said, you saw her before, because she had it once before, and I loved it. She called me up, you know, and I said, oh. I said, she had it before.
But you know what she thought? She thought I might have another woman, because she said, who's that blonde?
Yeah.
Did you sit down? What?
They're selling cigarettes and fireworks. The one thing we don't want is fireworks. We don't want cigarettes. Right. But they're all antiques, and they're all selling stuff. So we finally stopped one. We looked through Virginia.
Red said when him and Dodie used to go to Florida every he said they moved in the place and they didn't realize it. It was all colored, but he said we stayed the night and retired. He said it's all right. It's chocolate.
Yeah, but you always want to keep right on going. You hate to stop.
That's the best part of it.
Side the other side. Then we couldn't even get off the road.
Just spoiled.
Well, you know the funniest part about it, she didn't tell you probably when we were in Chicago. Well, what a job to get out of that. That was...
Dear life, I couldn't go no how. I don't see how you couldn't go. You gotta put your pants down. You can't do it.
Just hot.
So I said, well, this is all right. I got sick and tired of coming home from school. All the time. He couldn't go to school because he had earache, he had this, he had that. I says, well, this is all right. We're going to have his tonsils taken out. Because I talked to Peter says, he's got to have his tonsils and that noise taken out. So we decided to have it out. So in the morning I got through work, and I had his mother take him down to the hospital because I couldn't get there in time to take him down. So he had his operation at 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm sitting down there in the reception room. All of a sudden I hear a noise. Mr. Costi, your son is back to his room. He's had his tonsils removed. Will you go up? So boom, I went up to the 10th floor or whatever it was at the time. I go up there and I look all around the floor. Where the hell is he? Hey, this is really funny. Where the hell is he? So I go out to the nurse's station and I said, Dr. Costi's supposed to be back in his house. Oh, he's over there in the room. I said, well, you please show me where the hell he is. We walk in the room, she looks, she says, in that bed, the bed is empty. Where the hell is he? He's not a bed roll on his bed.
Oh, dear. Work. Because, so I went up to the hospital, you know, I said, where's Mike? Mother said, you there, you know, she never worried a heck of a lot. I was the worry word. So I went up to the hospital and I demanded to bring him home. They hadn't given him anything to eat all day long because he threw up the sauerkraut. So I stopped on the way home from the bakery. That's why I remember it. Because I bought a loaf of bread, and the poor kid was so hungry, he was chewing on the end of the bread, and I felt sad, so we were both crying, walking down the street. He carried him and the bread, and he was crying, and him chewing on the bread. I'll never forgot it. There was this... When we come home, Mother says, my God. She says, what happened? She used to always make light of everything, you know. I was so happy.
I
I'm so sorry for you.
Yeah, I know you do.
I love you so much and I feel so sorry.
Yeah, I know you do.
I couldn't stand getting up this morning at 5:30.
Oh, I hate to get up in the
Knowing
morning.
it was Christmas Eve and knowing this poor Scrooge was making me go to work.
But you know
And he
what?
gets to lay there in bed.
It's time to get up. And he says, oh, I have to lay here. I'm so tired. I haven't done anything for 2 weeks.
What are you talking about, poor Scrooge?
Why not?
Hey, I get up 5 o'clock in the morning, and she says, oh, I'm going to do real good to you, Mike. She says, I'm going to get up and make you a cup of coffee. As soon as I walk in the back door, she goes back in bed till 9 o'clock.
I don't blame her, I would too. To that ornament you have on the bottom.
Time to open your presents, Sammy.
I can open them up? What?
Who got you started out with these colds? Wait your mother get in there, Happy.
Oh, John, this is yours. I thought it... Sister,
Oh, no, I know.
Dad, look at what Sandy got you.
Oh, there. Remember, don't be that one that wanted to get your present opened up.
Yeah.
No, that little present. Yeah.
Oh, this one's Sandy and Doug. Now can I get this so bad?
Where do you get your other present opened up?
One more.
When you got one now.
If I speak.
That 1977 will be happy, healthy, and prosperous for you and your family. This is greetings from everyone in the house. Everyone at Athens Equipment wishes you and yours a happy holiday. They appreciate the opportunity to be of service to you and the study of the Athens, Pennsylvania. Yeah, that's really heavy stuff.
Wonderful story of a boy who wanted only 2 chocolates.
Sandy and Doug.
Man, you're saying right now, let's look ahead.
I took the plastic box back.
How many you get? 8?
8. And the picture, there's one in there. She looks in there.
Yeah, spacers, one. Says you bid in.
Yeah, there's 8 fit in there with that. And, we had a fax proof for Sammy's camera. He mentioned the package yesterday.
I gotta have movies from mine. Ain't running off yet.
Most of that footage was hot. But we 4 tablespoons for all those squares. Solid green. There anyway. It's nice. No, she wants to buy small. She
Chevy car. The dog, Dave said he doesn't want to buy a small one and drive it to work because he might be slippery out. So I give it a try.
Where they get it financed anyway?
She wants a Chevy Nova.
Oh, the Chevy went up to 4,700.
Yeah. You know, that is just, Kurt told me, wait another year or two. I told him, you know, if we had like close to $1,000 saved up, you know, we went to a swing of it.
Unless you get beneficial.
I really would. Yeah, right.
Okay, myself, thank you.
Yeah, it's you. Stop that. You said you wouldn't do that.
What do you think?
No, you're not a pencil. Wow. Baby's answer now. Well, Hope she wants to say hi. Dan, say hi. Say hi. What's Dana want from you?
Santa bring me check.
What else you bring you? What do you bring you? Toys? Light? Show up. Oh, wait, what? Tell David, shut up. Is that in the mail? Is that for Grandma? Yeah, I think so. It must be
Yeah, through I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I shall fear no evil, cause I'm the meanest son of a bitch in the valley, Natisha.
We got to wrap up this present for Linda. Got the tag on me now. Stick out your tongue. That's not very nice. Christmas is a week away. Second Christmas, and you stick out your tongue. Fully and you. Say, yeah, that you said. I've forgotten it's Christmas and I can't think of anything funny. Want to buy a Christmas tree? This one right here. $1.50. Plus tax. 90% tax. That makes it...
You want to hear a good story?
What?
Okay. This woman, her sister works on first floor, she's a nurse. Anyhow, her sister was starting up 81. She had to get to work. He got up 81. All of a sudden, she sees red lights come on behind her. She goes, oh my goodness, she says, I don't dare go home and get her speed ticket. My husband killed her. So she pulls over, and the trooper pulls up behind her, and he gets out of the car. She rolls her window down. She sticks her head on the window. She says, I bet you want to sell me a ticket tonight. Trooper's